Let all cats old enough to catch their own prey join here beneath high stump for a clang meeting.
Finally! Am I gonna be the deputy? Hey, Blaze-Star!
Be quiet, Sharptooth. Thank you, Night Whisker.
I bet the new deputy's gonna be Night Whisker.
Yeah.
I'm telling my mom.
The new deputy is Rain Whisker.
What?
Has she
That's
been
apprentice yet?
Whisker. Silence!
Blaze-Star, I don't think I should.
Rain Whisker, just because you used to be a rogue doesn't mean you can't be deputy. You are loyal to the Lightningclan.
Okay.
Cling dismissed.
I'm telling my mom everything. Hey, Mom, I got a great story to tell. It's gonna take 1,000 moons.